This is Fatsum. I am going to do my activity for educational science module. Here is the detail for my activity. And for this activity, I chose two videos, one from Australia about chemistry and the other from US. It's on weather. And to start with my first reflection on the chemistry lesson from the US, here is the overview of the video lesson. 33-minute duration and 30 students within the class. It is a lab class and theory and a lab together. And when I come to my reflection from the beginning of the class, here is something that I wanted to share. The teacher looked at his watch at the beginning. This shows to me how punctual the teacher is. And then the students get into their room and took their places. And my observation here is one student like this, who has a kind of a problem, could be handicapped and need special chairs, but the room doesn't have that. Imagine what would happen if there is accident. And students group formation and how they sit in the at their place. Also, another points that I wanted to discuss here. Here, for example, are female within a group, and at the other point, you can see here a number of members within the group also different. So some kind of group formation problem. So the lesson encourage grouping. One important point also here. Here we can see the student spilled chemical on her hand. So here safety matters. Very crucial point, because it's totally forbidden to work lab without safety stuffs. Can be glove, eye goggle, and lab coat. Here I can share from my previous blog post, like on safety matters. You can see my personal pictures here in the lab. So this is what's recommended in the lab. And when coming back to the activity, we can see also teaching aids within the class. Those, like for example, here we can see periodic table and other teaching aids. That's what is really recommended. And I can also show you here from my previous blog post what I did. Here's the same kind of periodic table. And in general, I can summarize my reflection for this video like this. Yeah, what I like and dislike in general looks like this one. And when I come to the second video, it's about weather, and it looks like the overview looks like here. It's 58 minutes long, and there are 25 students within the class. And at the beginning, we can see how the teacher starts her lesson. For example, here we can see the demonstration. That's something very nice. We can see aids, ball type aids, but here what's the poor thing is poor light, because visibility problem we can observe here also. And the other is here at the beginning how the teacher sat on the chair, and that's something I didn't like because she talked for a while and she talked a bit loud. That's something not my favorite actually, but this is maybe personal. This may be uh, personal things. Uh, but in this lesson, in this video, what I like is this space with the way the seats are arranged. That's really what I like. The reason is because we can see here how the teacher move around, and it's really comfortable to move around, help students, and we can see also resources on the table there, and the students also sit comfortably and do their tasks, and overall it's engaging uh, activities, and students were busy, and uh, in fact it's an independent kind of activity actually. Overall, I can summarize what I observed from this video in this way. Yeah, yeah, this was very engaging and uh, more comfortable sitting arrangement, and what I dislike also there. But from the two videos, this second video mm, looks like more of independent work, encourage independent work, and the teacher talks a lot, and she also expects a kind of a reply what she already told the students. So to me, the theory behind this second lesson is behaviorist and a kind of cognitivism theory. But for the first one, it's the grouping was not formal. Uh, it's a kind of a lesson which encourage group work and learning by doing. So to me, the theory behind this lesson is constructivism theory. That's all. Thank you for watching.